friends.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Okotoks, Alberta, a delightful town that beautifully blends history, nature, and community spirit. Located just south of Calgary, Okotoks is nestled in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, offering stunning views and a serene environment. Okotoks has a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century when European settlers first arrived. The town was officially incorporated in 1904 and quickly became a hub for agriculture and trade. The Sheep River, which runs through the town, has been a vital resource for the community, providing water and supporting local wildlife. The name Okotoks comes from the Blackfoot word Okotok, which means rock. This is a reference to the Big Rock, which has been a landmark in the area for centuries. Whether you're here to explore the great outdoors, learn about the local history, or simply enjoy the welcoming atmosphere, Okotoks is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Its unique blend of nature, culture, and community makes it a truly special destination in Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Okotoks, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.